Hello, my name is Julie Gomez. The number of my group is 90021 AP402. It's spectacular while in my year vacation. I have a wonderful experience. At sea, I have been in the beautiful municipal of Arboletes, where my husband and some of friends I had no visit the sea for a long time. I have enjoyed the beaches and their gastronomy. I have gone to the Mount Volcano and I have visited the pier. I have passed out through its emblematic place. I have also been in Necoclí in June, a spectacular farm, and on the way back I have bought typical sweets and crabs for my relatives. Thank you for your time.